This is load finder. Can we get a radio check?
I hate you.
Try Big Sexy, see if that one works.
This is Big Sexy. Can we get a radio check?
Maybe you need to ask like a different question. Maybe radio check isn't happening.
Does that stick out like a sore thumb that we're a tourist or something? Radio check?
That's not a real trucker. So this is load finder. Anybody tell me what they're hauling? Or something like that.
Seriously.
This is load finder. Anybody tell me what you're hauling out there? Come back. Alright, you're supposed to. That's the thing.
We'll just
the soul has talked to us.
I mean, we've been on the road how many hours? Got nothing. Other kids, Pittsburgh.